bite. How I'm gonna train him? They got the bark, they got the screen for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they ain't doing that. They ain't doing that.
Real shit.
Go bite.
Czech Shepherd, man. Look at him.
Let's get the boy. Let's get the boy.
New addition to Mill Coop Kennels, man.
That's good boy. That's good boy, he said. Yeah, that's good boy. That's good boy. That's good boy, man. That's good boy. That's good boy. That's good boy, man. That's good boy. That's good boy, man. That's good boy. That's good boy. Who said? That's good boy. That's good boy. That's good boy, man.
Good boy. Good boy, son.
A Czech Shepherd. I'm about to train up my purple dog. You know how people tote their gun on them everywhere they go? Boy, this one be toting on me everywhere I go. I went through my partner, man, with a K9 unit, and they get these from Bulgaria and Soviet from I'm waiting on his export papers to come in now. My partner works with the little K9 unit thing. He had put me on this one right here. Lampley Kennels. That's who import most of these dogs into the United States for the military. It's supposed to be a machine right here. So we're gonna see. 3 months. And he is, I could put a flirt in front of him right now. I'm talking about he screamed like a bulldog. I ain't lying. Yeah, he supposed to be about his business. Huh? Oh, he probably get about 70, 80 pounds. You ever see a military dog? Not a police dog, a military dog. They're a little different. That's how he gonna be basically built. He's supposed to be able to take a shot by a gun and keep going like it ain't nothing. That's what they say. We gonna see. That's good boy. That's good boy. That's good boy. Ah, you got me. Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Well, my phone gonna hang up. I'm gonna hit you back. All right. Yeah, boy. Yo. What's going on, man? Oh, man. She in the yard messing around a little bit. Well, what you got going on? Man, what you messing around with in there? You want me to hold it? Listen. Watch him, boy. Watch him, boy. That's good boy, Graham. That's good boy, Graham. You hear him screaming, huh? Okay, scream like a bulldog. My Czech Shepherd I just got.
boy. Good boy, son. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, son. Good boy. That boy teeth sharp, man. Y'all see them. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Good boy, son. Good boy, son. Good boy. Good boy, son. Don't let him get it. Don't let him get it. Or just stay right there. No. Good boy. Come on. Chef. Check, chef. Come here, boy. Come here, son. Good boy, son. Y'all see what we got, man. New Czech Shepherd at Mill Coop Kennels, man. I see this bad boy. He gonna be trained up for personal protection work. Yeah. Look at him. He just a puppy now. About 3 months. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy, son. Good boy. Good work, son. Good work, boy.
Sure.
What's up, son? Good boy. Good boy, son. Let's go, boy. Let's go, son. Good boy, son. Good boy, son. Good boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. How about a real canine, though? Come here, boy. Czech Shepherd. Look up. Good boy, son. Good boy, sonny. Good boy, son. What's up, boy?